Once again, welcome back to your GK Buddy. Friends, by the time we are making this video, 16 out of the 60 matches of IPL season 14 have been completed. The competition has been growing more and more intense and the matches are getting more and more exciting. As usual, we had an encouraging response to the IPL Quiz 3 circulated through our Glide app and Google Form quiz. With this video, we will be releasing our IPL Quiz 4. We have provided the QR code to open this quiz both on the Glide app and on Google Form. You don't have to download any app. This will open on scanning the QR code. You can just follow the instructions that will come up and play. Happy quizzing. Before we go ahead with reviewing the matches, we will have a look at the answers to the questions in the previous Quiz 3 circulated. This is the first question. Who scored the most number of half centuries in the IPL? Is it David Warner, or is it Shikhar Dhawan, or is it Virat Kohli? It's of course David Warner with 48 half centuries, who hit maximum half centuries in IPL history. This is the second question. Who scored the first century of season 14? Is it Shikhar Dhawan, or is it Sanju Samson, or is it KL Rahul? It is Sanju Samson. The first century was scored by Samson playing against Punjab Kings in the fourth match of the season on 12th April 2021. Here comes the third question. Who is the first captain of an IPL team to debut with a century? Is it Virat Kohli, or is it Rohit Sharma, or is it Sanju Samson? It is Sanju Samson when he scored a century against Punjab Kings in the fourth match of the season 14 against Punjab Kings. Here comes the fourth question. Which is the first IPL team to enter the century club of winning 100 matches in IPL? Is it Chennai Super Kings, or is it Mumbai Indians, or is it Kolkata Knight Riders? It was Mumbai Indians to enter the 100 match wins club first when it defeated Chennai Super Kings on 3rd April 2019 in season 12. Who scored the first century in IPL history? Is it Virendra Sehwag, or is it Sanath Jayasuriya, or is it Brendan McCullum? The first century in the IPL was scored in the first match of IPL on 18th April 2008 at Chinnaswamy Stadium, Bangalore by Brendan McCullum for Kolkata Knight Riders against Royal Challengers Bangalore. Now let's have a look at the matches that were played after our last video. We have seen the matches up to 8th by the time the third video in IPL season 14 was released. The 9th match was played on 17th April between Mumbai Indians and Sunrisers Hyderabad. In this match, Mumbai Indians beat Sunrisers Hyderabad by 13 runs. Sunrisers Hyderabad did well to restrict Mumbai Indians to 150 for 5. They started off their innings well with an opening stand of 67 runs between Bairstow and Warner. And then Bairstow, with the 43 of 22 balls, went for a lap shot against Krunal Pandey and stepped on the stumps. Rahul Chahar's 3 for 19 in 4 overs and 1 for 14 in 4 overs by Bumrah, supported by some excellent fielding, were the highlights of the game. Warner and Abdul Samad were run out by the direct throws by Hardik Pandya. Mumbai Indians once again demonstrated their ability to defend their moderate score. That was a third defeat in a row for Sunrisers Hyderabad. The match at 10 was played between Kolkata Knight Riders and Royal Challengers Bangalore, and Royal Challengers Bangalore won by 38 runs. Bangalore were 2 down for 7 with Kohli falling for just 5 runs. But Glenn Maxwell maintained his current form and came up with another good performance of 78 of 49 balls. Then AB de Villiers played a scintillating innings and remained not out for 76 in 34 balls. And then Kolkata were restricted to 166 for 8. That was the third victory in a row for Royal Challengers Bangalore. In match number 11, the Punjab Kings had a good opening stand of 122 runs between Rahul and Mayank Agarwal. And they had a decent score of 195 for 4. But it was not enough on a day when Shikhar Dhawan was on full flow. Delhi Capitals made 198 in 18 point overs to defeat Punjab Kings by 6 wickets. Match 12th was played between Chennai Super Kings and Rajasthan Royals. Chennai Super Kings scored 188 runs in the allotted overs, and then Jadeja and Moeen Ali caught the Rajasthan Royals in their spin web. Rajasthan was bowled out for 143. It was a 200th match for Dhoni as captain of Chennai Super Kings, and they celebrated it with a 45 runs victory over Rajasthan Royals. Match number 13 was played between Delhi Capitals and Mumbai Indians. Delhi Capitals restricted Mumbai Indians to 137 with Amit Mishra scalping the wickets of Rohit Sharma, Ishan Krishnan, Hardik Pandya and Kieron Pollard. Mumbai Indians tried to defend even this moderate total, but after a scare, Delhi Capital roamed home at 19.1 overs. Match number 14 was played between Punjab Kings and Sunrisers Hyderabad. With the excellent performance of its bowlers, Sunrisers Hyderabad restricted Punjab Kings to 120 runs, aided by a class 3-4-21 by Khalil Ahmed. Then Bairstow and Warner guided Sunrisers Hyderabad to 121 runs in 18.4 overs. It was a victory after 3 continuous losses for Sunrisers Hyderabad. For Punjab Kings, it was the 3rd consecutive loss after a solitary win. Match number 15 was played between Kolkata Knight Riders and Chennai Super Kings. Faf du Plessis and Ruturaj Gaikwad provided a dream start with an opening stand of 115 to give a score of 220. Du Plessis with a brilliant 95 remained not out. Kolkata Knight Riders had a disastrous start and they were 5 down for 31 runs. Then Andre Russell, Dinesh Karthik and Pat Cummins staged a valiant fight back, but it was too late. Their innings folded up for 202 runs at 19.1 overs. Match number 16 was played between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Rajasthan Royals. Royal Challengers Bangalore made a cakewalk of the 177 for 9 scored by Rajasthan Royals without any loss of wicket in 16.3 overs. And that was a 10-wicket victory for Royal Challengers Bangalore. Devdutt Padikkal scored 101 not out and Kohli made 72 not out. Now let's have a quick look at the points table. All teams have completed 4 matches each. Royal Challengers Bangalore is leading with winning all 4 matches. It is followed by Chennai Super Kings and Delhi Capitals with 3 wins each, and behind them is Mumbai Indians with 2 wins. Is it an indicator of which teams would survive to the playoff? Will Rajasthan Royals be able to retrieve its position? Let's wait and watch. Now about quiz number 4. You can play it on Glide app and you can also play it on Google Form. On the screen is the GK Buddies IPL quiz app. You can see the QR code generated for opening this app on the screen. You can scan the QR code appearing on the screen and open the Glide app. Then you can simply register and play. You can also open this app using the web address which is given here, ipl-quiz.com. glideapp.io, and then the quiz app on Google Form. The link will be available on Facebook account of your GK Buddy, or you can scan the QR code appearing on the screen. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and that it has been useful. Please subscribe to our channel and keep the notifications open so that I can notify you when I am ready with the next follow-up video on IPL Season 14. We value your feedback very much. Please communicate with us through the comment section. Thank you for watching. Watch against Corona and be safe. See you soon.